Damn, but we're taking some really heavy fire. Damn, I can't believe they only sent us to the front lines after 2 days of training just because of our 15 years Call of Duty experience. I'm all out. Do you have anything left? Yeah, man, I'm also dry from doing all of those trick shots earlier. I only have 2 shells left and we're badly outnumbered. Think you can make some magic with that shotgun? Don't worry, because of the spread, we only need 2 shots to take out those 4 enemies. Just like in Call of Duty, man. Let's do it! Fuck yeah.